Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. This meditation is called Top 3. It's a moment to spend with all of your favorite things and send them a little love and gratitude. Begin by thinking of your top 3 favorites. Who are your top 3 favorite people? What are your top 3 favorite movies? What are your top 3 favorite toys? What are your top 3 favorite places? What are your top 3 favorite junk foods or candies? What are your top 3 favorite games? Who are your top 3 favorite people in your school? What are your top 3 favorite hobbies? That means, what are your top 3 favorite ways to spend time? What are your top 3 favorite healthy foods? What are your favorite top 3 TV shows? What are your top 3 favorite things to do on the weekend? What are your top 3 moments that you were most proud of yourself? Imagine all of these favorite things you've listed here today, and imagine doing them or sharing them with your favorite people. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or the chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.